Action.
Cover mask. I show you how to assemble the cover mask. Let's open it. So cover mask includes one piece of antimicrobial cover mask film and 10 pieces of woven fabric filters. And you can wash this film tap water and mild soap. And each cover mask film is good for 30 days continuous daily use. And the filters, and you can wash it 3 times. Then first, fold the cover mask in half and make sure that it is aligned, and place the 2 silk stickers at the top and bottom part of the mask. Put on the bottom. And put on the top. And then put the 2 cover masks black logo on the both sides. Then place the fabric filters inside. Get one. And then finally you can put the elastic string on both sides and adjust it depending on your preference. And there you go. That's it.